Is a much significant question that why many countries are banning Indians. North America is banning Indians, Canada is banning Indian migrants, UK is banning Indian migrants, Australia is banning Indian migrants, USA is banning Indian migrants. This is not my news, this is a media news. If you just open YouTube channel, you just open any top media immigration channel, any top immigration news, current immigration news, Canada is banned almost maximum students of India. They had banned maximum work permit holders of Indian with low wages. So what is the reason that all countries are looking upon India only? And this India country, which is a very professional people living in India, very, if you see top quality educationist that belong to India, if you see doctors in USA, in Canada, in United Kingdom, they belong to India. If you see business people who are working in these developed countries, including Australia, they belong to India. If you see top quality university students who did get gold medal from the universities, even from Cambridge, Oxford, even from Australian top universities, they belong to India. So why India is being hidden by many countries in social media, and why when any country give immigration news, they told that Indians are banned. So this is the, I think, biggest research must be done why media is naming India again and again. Two, three things I will explain step by step, then you will be able to understand why India is more common in immigration news these days, especially Canadians, UK, United Kingdom, and North America, even USA, even Australia. First of all, I will tell you, India is a big country. India is not a country, I say it is just a continent. Because if you see Asia biggest part is India. So India, you can say 4 or 5 countries when you will combine, though that area just equal to India. So India, that's why they name India. Technically, developing countries are mostly belong to Asia, and those countries are Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, and I am talking about the developing countries, not developed countries: India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka. Maximum area and maximum people who went to developed countries, because when area is large, maximum people, number of the people are more, so definitely number of people are more, they will maximum migrate to developed countries. So therefore, actually, they are banning developed countries, they are not banning India. They are stopping migrants from developing countries, and they are not stopping all migrants, they are only stopping non-genuine migrants, not genuine migrants. One thing I will tell you, you will be astonished: if Canada is developed, if Australia is developed, if UK is developed, if USA is developed, that is developed due to these countries, and mostly people who played role in the development of the developed countries, those are Indians. As I told you already, if you will just observe the doctors in the top hospitals, they belong to Indians. If you just observe, even in intelligence officers in developed countries, they belong to Indians. They are in army, they are teachers, they are lawyers. So if you are talking about they are banning India, it means developing countries, developed countries are doing suicide. They will never ban Indian top professional people. Please listen carefully. They are just banning low wages people. Low wages people mean just plumbers, laborers, and non-professional, illegal persons. Fake people mean they deposit fake documents, and those are not from Indians, those are from almost all countries. Those are from Asian all countries, those are from African countries. India is just named by media. I give you idea that they just wanted to say that we are banning non-genuine Asian migrants. This is the word media wanted to use. This is the word Canadian PM wanted to use. I listened the speech of Canadian PM, current speech of Canadian PM. He used the word South Asia. He did not use the word India. As you know, South Asia, mostly area consists of India. So when maximum number of the migrants are going, when top professionals are moving, when engineers are moving from India to Canada, India to North America, India to Australia, definitely non-professional people are also moving. So that's basically two-way traffic. One-way traffic is that top professional with the high wages, with very good skills, who can construct countries, who can make countries to compete internationally. They are top teachers, they are top software engineers, they are top artificial intelligence experts. And if they should have been live in India, India should have been a developed countries. They made developed countries Canada, they made developed country Australia. Top business people in Australia, I remember, they are Indians after China. And top students who get good marks in Australian and Canadian universities, those are Indians. So saying this one that they are banned, they cannot ban elsewhere in any country, and any country even cannot think. Yes, they just want to stop illegal and non-genuine migrants. As I told you, if you will ask that 100 people moving from India, I am just giving you mathematical data, you will be able to understand. If 100 people are moving from India to Canada or India to North America, from any other country of Asia, only on that day, as compared to 100, 10 people will go. I'm just comparing. So 10 ratio 100. You are getting me? Now 100 people are moving, 60 or 70 may be the genuine people. They may be the top professional people, and they may be the people who is the cream of India, and they may be the people who is the proud of India, and they would be very successful, and any developed country will absorb them, will adapt them, and will accept them, and will give them permanent residence, and would be very happy to have that Indian, and they are very happy. Many Indians are US citizens, many, as I told you, many Indians are UK citizens, many Indians are Canadian citizens. Now what's going on? Out of 100, if 60 people are genuine, definitely genuine mean with the high wages, with professional skills, with the top ranked people, 40% might be labors, and might be due to some compulsion, due to some consultants. They may deposit fake documents, and they may not be genuine students, and they may be going for work, and they may be using some illegal documents, and they may be not genuine people, and they may not be successful in those developed countries. Those 40% people, definitely countries are talking about those 40% people of the India. They are not talking about 60% people. Please correct yourself. Indian professionals are at top, just like Pakistan, because Pakistan country is a small country, and the migrants who move from Pakistan are small and less in numbers, therefore they are not more highlighted. Keep watching World Immigration News by Irfan with true analysis, predictions, and also with consultancy. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, and share my channel. Thank you.